In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to segment your audience in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a dynamic segment of recent subscribers so you can target the right people at the right time without lifting a finger each day. Start by opening your Mailchimp account and heading to your dashboard. We'll work inside the audience area, which is where your contacts live and where you'll build segments. Segments are filters you apply to your audience so you can group people by shared characteristics or behaviors. Unlike tags, which you apply manually, segments update automatically when someone meets the conditions you set. From the main navigation, click Audience. This brings up your contact management tools. If you manage multiple audiences, remember that segments are audience specific, so the segment you create will only apply to the audience you're currently viewing. The approach we're taking is ideal if you want to quickly reach new signups or onboard subscribers with timely content. Next, open the segment section. This is the hub for everything related to segmentation. Save segments, the conditions you can use, and how those segments perform. You'll see options to create new ones or reuse existing ones. Today, we're building a fresh, dynamic segment focused on recency. Choose Create Segment. Mailchimp will present a set of drop-downs to define your logic. In the first condition field, select Email Date Added. This tells Mailchimp to look at the date each contact was added to your audience. It's perfect for catching brand new subscribers right after they join, which is often when engagement is highest. In the next drop-down, choose Is Within. This operator creates a rolling window rather than a fixed calendar date. That means you don't have to update the segment later. Mailchimp will continually include contacts who fall inside the time frame you choose and exclude those who age out of it. Now type in the time frame. For this example, enter 5 and make sure the unit is set to days. With this, you're building a segment of anyone added in the last 5 days. This is a great window for welcome messages, quick promotions, or product education while your brand is still top of mind. Keep in mind that results are affected by your account's time zone setting, so the exact cutoff may shift slightly depending on your configuration. When your condition looks right, click Review Segment. Mailchimp will show a preview count and a sample of the contacts who currently match your criteria. Use this moment to sanity check the logic. If the number seems unexpectedly low or high, remember that this is a rolling filter and it only includes people actually added within that recent window. If everything looks good, click Use Segment. This takes you to the confirmation screen where you'll save it for ongoing use. Click into the segment name field and give it a clear, descriptive title such as Recent Signups, Last 5 Days. Good naming matters, especially if teammates will use this segment in campaigns or automations later. Avoid personal details or anything that could be confusing when you scan a list of segments. Finally, click Save and Exit. Your segment is now live and ready to use across campaigns, journeys, and reports. Because it's based on Is Within, it will stay fresh automatically. Tomorrow, it will pull in tomorrow's new subscribers, and next week it will do the same, always reflecting the most recent 5 days. That's the full workflow. You opened Mailchimp, navigated to Audience and Segments, created a dynamic condition using Email Date Added is within 5 days, reviewed the matching contacts, used the segment, named it clearly, and saved it. With this in place, you can target new subscribers while they're most engaged and keep your messaging timely without manual updates every day.